So guys, there's a natural mineral water here that you can actually try, so I'm gonna try it. Is it good? Muy delicioso.
I expected no.
After a day,
Aquí hay una mica menos.
people come and drink it. Straight up.
A bit like tonic,
Missing the gin.
missing the gin. Hey, this is Andrew Lim inviting you to go out on a limb. Hello from a gorgeous day here in Ponta Delgada. So today we're going to do something different. We're going to venture out of the city, drive around the island and check out a few of the key highlights here on the island, including Furnas, which is a town near the volcanic crater. It's an active but dormant volcano. Come go on limb with me and we will drive around São Miguel Island today, which by the way is the biggest island of the 9 islands here in the Azores. Folks, before we start, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notified button for new contents that I upload weekly. Obrigado. So São Miguel Island is the biggest island in the Portuguese Azores archipelago. If you don't have time to explore other islands while in Azores, this is the island you want to be on as it offers a great range of volcanic scenery, flora, and rich marine life. We drove east of Ponta Delgada for this day trip, and our first stop was the popular islet called Vila Franca do Campo. So the view of this islet from the shore is not as spectacular as the view from above. The entire islet and surrounding waters constitute a protected nature reserve while remaining a popular destination for swimming and cliff diving, especially in the summer. We then drove north to the popular crater lake called Lagoa de Fogo, which offers historical lake vacation homes like this one and a scenic view of the lake which has the size of 336 acres and is one of the 7 crater lakes on this island that is better known. Northeast of Lagoa de Fogo is the famous national park called Park Terra Nostra, and its main highlight are the 3 thermal pools open for guests to soak, with this yellow thermal pool being the biggest one. Hey guys, so I'm in the thermal pool right now. It's really comfortable. I mean, I think the temperature is around maybe 30 degrees Celsius, about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it doesn't have that strong sulfur smell. It's very yellow because I think of the minerals that's good for your body, supposedly. But it's a white pool. Comfortable. And people, if you see like people put their belongings along the bench, because there's actually a locker here, but the problem is you have to rent the locker by your cell phone, and there's actually no cell phone signal here, and there's no Wi-Fi, so I don't know how you do it. So just put it here and, you know, have faith that people don't take your stuff, and just keep an eye on it occasionally. But this is cool. I like it. There are 2 smaller natural thermal pools that are not in yellow color, and the water is actually of higher temperature. After relaxing thermal bath, we drove over to nearby Furnas, which has a population of about 2,000 Azoreans. We headed to restaurant Tony's for its traditional Azorean meat called Cozido das Furnas, which can only be found here in Furnas as it is slow cooked underground by volcanic heat. So it's kind of like luau in a way. So it comes with the stock, but I actually find it a bit bland tasting. Sorry Azoreans, please don't attack me for it. So after lunch, we visited the steaming geysers and hot bubbling volcano springs in Furnas. Although the Furnas volcano last erupted in 1630, we could still feel, see and smell the geothermal activity all around us. And the locals even use some bubbling springs to cook corns, which they sell to visitors. Hence the yellow color here from the husk.
Local people do come and they actually make soda for it.
So guys, there's a natural mineral water here that you can actually try, so I'm gonna try it. Is it good? Muy delicioso.
I expected no.
After a day,
Aquello no es mi camino.
people come and drink it. Straight up.
A bit like tonic,
Missing the gin.
missing the gin.
So let's drink some liquor. So we are visiting the store for a local
High in mineral,
non-profit.
naturally carbonated. On the north side of the island, you'll find the only tea plantation left in Europe called Gorreana Tea Factory, which is a family-run tea producer that was established back in 1883. So here, they offer visitors a chance to see how the tea is actually made. And visitors can also taste the tea, which frankly I've tasted better. But the space where they can taste the tea is absolutely amazing. It offers such a serene view. This is the first tea plantation I've visited located by the ocean and not inland. Male visitors, in fact, are also lucky enough to get this view as they pee. There's also a couple of pineapple plantations visitors can visit on São Miguel, and the more commonly visited one is the Aruda plantation, which you'll find the popular Azorean pineapple here. So the pineapples here are smaller in size and known for their sweetness. So most are imported to the mainland of Portugal, but you can also find some here in local grocery stores. And they're actually not cheap. I mean, one is around $10 to $15. The cafe here actually offers visitors with products made with pineapples grown here, like this fresh pineapple juice, and the quintessential Portuguese snack, which is pastel de nata, but made with pineapple. It's simply delicious. So overall, there's a lot to explore east of Ponta Delgada if you want to do a day trip outside of the city, and if you are here visiting the beautiful island of São Miguel.